Gold traders, welcome to Gold Window. This is your June 2nd gold news plan. Today is a USD focused session. Gold can move fast around the New York Open, but your edge is not guessing the first spike. Your edge is waiting for liquidity, displacement, a clean fair value gap, and a proper retracement. Trade safer. Wait for the gold window. Today's read is low to medium news pressure. The main idea is simple. This is not the heaviest red folder cluster, but gold traders still need to respect the listed danger window. The market can expand fast, sweep both sides, and punish early entries. The safest approach is to wait until the news passes, then look for clean structure. The calendar points to a few Fed speaker headlines and a medium-impact JOLTS Job Openings release at 10 o'clock New York time. JOLTS can reprice the dollar through yields, risk sentiment, and safe haven flows. The practical instruction is to stand aside before the event and let the first reaction expose liquidity. The main danger window is from 9:45 to 10:15 New York time. This surrounds the 10 o'clock JOLTS release. Do not enter new trades inside this window. The first spike can look attractive, but it is often a liquidity event. Wait for spreads to normalize, watch which side gets swept, then require displacement and structure before taking risk. The safest windows detected are 8:30 to 9:45 and 10:15 to 11 o'clock New York time. The best practical window is the later clean window after the main news risk has already printed. By then, gold has had time to sweep liquidity, reveal direction, and offer a more honest retracement. Before any trade, mark liquidity, wait for a sweep, then wait for displacement away from the swept level. After that, look for a clean fair value gap or consequent encroachment retracement. This is the gold window sequence: liquidity first, structure second, execution last. These are the filters that keep you alive. No sweep, no trade. No displacement, no trade. No fair value gap, no trade. No clean retracement, no trade. If price is sitting in the middle of the range or you feel rushed, stay out. One clean trade is enough. The final plan is to use reduced risk around the USD news window. Respect every danger window and let price reveal direction. The best practical window is 10:15 to 11 o'clock New York time, but only trade if gold gives a clean ICT-style setup. If the setup does not form, protect capital and come back tomorrow with a clear head. If this gold window helped you stay patient and avoid bad entries, subscribe to the channel. Every trading day, we break down the Forex Factory calendar, identify the safest gold trading windows, and help gold traders stop gambling into news candles. Like, comment, and subscribe for tomorrow's plan before the New York session. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, investment advice, or a signal service. Trading gold, forex, CFD, futures, and leveraged products carries serious risk. Always do your own analysis, manage risk carefully, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Subscribe for daily gold windows. Trade safer tomorrow. Watch the next gold plan before the New York session.